Well, look at this. An extremely rare Roman mosaic panel where we've got a 2-meter square of pale cream tesserae, the mosaic stones in the middle, which are filled with no less than 18 parakeets, these jolly polychrome squawking birds wandering around all over this mosaic surface. And then around the outer edge is this Vitruvian scroll, a series of wave-form designs that make the border surrounding the whole 2-meter square piece, rather like the border on a carpet. And then the whole of that, these literally thousands of tesserae, small stones and pieces of glass, are then inset into a metal matrix, which means that the Roman mosaic is safe to move and can be then reapplied, put into a floor, or used as a wall decoration. Extremely smart and chic, but rare and early and ready to go, and estimated in the upcoming timeline auction is £30,000 to £40,000. Pretty cool.